Welcome back to Techkibay YouTube channel, the home of technology and money making ideas. In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how you can get $10,000 Google ad credit balance for free without credit card, without doing anything, just as simple as you can. Think about it. So if you're new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button below, like and share this video.
Why are you running?
Hello guys, welcome back, and I believe you must have subscribed to my YouTube channel. So right here guys, let's start this as soon as possible. If you want to get this grant, this 10,000 US dollars, what you have to do is download your Google Chrome browser or any browser at all, hop into it and go to your address bar and type Google Ads grant. Hit the enter button. Wow, that's it. This is an ad. The first link you see here is an ad. So look up to the first link from Google, which is Ads Grant Google. Click on it guys, and you see that see more non-profit offerings. It says Google Ad Grants helps non-profits share their causes with the world, raise awareness, attract donors, and recruit new volunteers using Google search ads. Google Ad Grants shows your message to people searching for non-profit like yours, and each qualifying non-profit has access to up to 10,000 US dollars per month in search ads shown on Google.com. Additional Google ads may be purchased in a separate account. Oh my god. So guys, what it means is this, that you can get as much as 10,000 US dollars per month, just qualifying for a non-profit ads grant on Google. So guys, how do you apply for this guys? It says success stories, see how non-profits around the world use Google Ad Grants to drive awareness, attract donations, recruit volunteers, and much more. That is it guys. Look at the donors. Yeah, Google donates these grants to non-profit organizations. So guys, you can actually be the next person to receive this grant, and it's very easy for you. What you have to do is this: go slap up and start with Google Ads in 3 steps, in 3 simple steps. Just click on get started, and you can be the next person to get 10,000 US dollars on your Google Ads account every month. And you know what that means? Your business is gonna be a 6-figure business immediately, because this is gonna boom your business. It's gonna be a huge capital without spending time, without any credit card, without any bank information. It can be the next business mogul, making the ends meet, and breaking the internet with Google Ads without spending anything at all. That's it guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share this video, and thank you for watching this video. See you next time guys.